Alright, so right now behind me we have this insane cream and black two-tone Rolls-Royce Phantom modified by Mansory here. So let's just quickly walk around this beautiful art piece. It's too big to fit even into the GoPro. So you can see it's a two-tone finish with cream color around the bottom of the car, and then the black roof and the trunk and the hood. Let's take a quick look. You can see these huge beautiful chrome lines around the windows, huge chrome handles, and then again chrome vents and chrome Rolls-Royce logo, which is actually color matched to the paint. That makes alright, so you can see the two-tone finish with the black glossy hood, and then the chrome fascia grille right here, phantom headlights, and then the carbon fiber lip down here. Let's also take a look. You can see the carbon fiber follows the car around the side skirt, and then right here around the back to the diffuser. You can see it has the Mansory exhaust tips, and the spoiler on the car is also Mansory. It's also done by Mansory to match the carbon fiber around the car. Here, this piece is chrome, again with color matched Rolls-Royce logo to the cream color, which looks absolutely stunning on this car. I really like this small detail of the double R in the center of the taillight here. So as you can see, carbon fiber is down here, and here's a little vent of the carbon fiber as well. So let's take a quick look at the wheel. The wheel is absolutely huge. It's gloss black with a cream color match to the car line around the wheel, and then gloss black brake caliper, again with color matched Mansory logo on the brake caliper. Looks absolutely stunning, especially the cream color on this Rolls-Royce. It looks absolutely stunning. So let's take a quick look inside the car, and as you can see, it's absolutely insane. The interior is the same cream color with black stitches and black details, and there is some kind of wood or carbon fiber with different pattern. I can't tell, and gold Mansory logo written right there, and also the Mansory M on the custom dashboard in the new Rolls-Royce Phantom. Here, if you look into the back, the car looks absolutely amazing. Even the headliner is actually matched to match this cream color, and I also love this black hand-drawn line that follows the car from the front to the back door, which looks absolutely incredible.